Do tankless water heaters increase water bills? Homeowners in Schertz, Texas often ask this when they hear the words unlimited hot water. It sounds great, but many people worry it could lead to higher monthly water costs. In most homes, tankless water heaters do not increase water bills. Tankless systems do not use more water or increase water pressure. They simply heat water when it is needed. In many cases, they actually reduce wasted water because you're not running faucets as long while waiting for hot water to arrive. Here in Schertz, we see water usage driven more by habits than by the type of water heater. Proper installation and sizing matter. At A&A Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, we design tankless systems to deliver hot water efficiently, so homeowners are not wasting water down the drain waiting for it to warm up. If you're thinking about upgrading and want efficiency without surprises, schedule your tankless water heater installation to get started.